I welcome you all to study vlog Seven Secrets of Chinese and Asian Student, okay, part 3. Okay, I repeat, okay, study vlog, okay, Seven Secrets of Chinese and Asian Students. Either you like it or not, whichever country that you are today, you discover that Asians, okay, are Chinese and Chinese, okay, they are almost everywhere. That if you decide to actually spread, okay, your observation globally, you discover that even in world class companies, okay, in multinational organization, Google, Microsoft, okay, and others, the Asians, okay, the Chinese, okay, the Japanese, okay, the Indians, okay, are the ones, okay, omnipresent, okay, in this corporate, okay, giants. If you look at, okay, labs, okay, international labs, world class labs, okay, you will discover that, okay, the Chinese and the Asian students, the Indians, okay, they are almost ubiquitous. Okay, if you go to Australia, if you come down to the UK, okay, the America, Canada, okay, the Asians, especially the Chinese students, their international students are holding sway. Okay, today, okay, according to experts, okay, in the field, okay, the Chinese, okay, the Chinese students, okay, are the world's number one intellectually exceptional students. Okay, PISA, okay, Program for International Student Assessment teams, okay, trends in maths and science study, IMO, okay, International Maths Olympiad, the Chinese, the Asian students, okay, they are the ones that keep dominating these international exams. So the question becomes, what is the secret, or what are the seven secrets of Chinese and Asian students? There was a time like that I decided to really investigate, and I gathered data, okay, both locally and internationally. I watched countless YouTube videos, I read books, I visited, okay, blogs, okay, and I did so many things in order to gather more massive data, okay, dimensional, okay, differential data. And based on this data, I decided to do what, to write a book, to write an article first. I titled the article "Education." Okay, secrets of Chinese and Asian students. The article is still on the internet. If you want, you feel like actually investigating in order to read it. When I published this article, okay, I got calls all over the world. Okay, professors, okay, and others called me. In fact, this is this actually led, okay, to the publication of this book. If you look at the forward, it was forwarded by Professor Clement Fasson. So when I actually published the article, okay, Professor Fasson was one of those professors that invited me. He was flabbergasted, okay, with the content of the article. He invited me. He was then the dean, okay, Lagos State University. I went there. We had a meeting. And I told him that, look, that the article I've decided to do what to, because of the massive data that I gathered. Okay, the tabloid that published the article. Okay, they were able to, they only published about maybe 30%, okay, of the information that I sent to them. Then I decided to do what to convert the article into a book. That step, okay, led, okay, to the publication of this book in the United States. It is presently, okay, on Amazon. So the question becomes, okay, what are the secrets, okay, of Chinese and Asian students? In this book, I've, I've explained explicitly, okay, the seven secrets. But for the sake of this study vlog, what I'm going to do, okay, for you is this. I'm going to really tell you the pillar secret, the foundational secret, or the cornerstone secret. And the cornerstone secret is simply DHL. I love acronyms. Acronyms, okay, help me to do what, to record things. DHL, the D stands for daily. The H, okay, stands for habit. Okay, and the L stands for learning. So DHL. DHL is the number one secret, okay, behind the rise, okay, of Chinese and Asian students in the global education system. And before I wrote the article and later, okay, decided to actually convert the article into a book, there was a time like that I was so interested, okay, in finding out, okay, those factors that make Nobel laureates, okay, outstanding. And I discovered based on my investigation, that every Nobel laureate, that every intellectual superstar, reads every day. And when I decided to study Nigerian first class students, I started to study the Jewish students, because the Jews, when I was actually investigating, trying to actually investigate the secrets of the Nobel laureates, it was there I stumbled onto this fact that the Jewish people are the most intelligent race, because comparatively speaking, the numbers of Jews that have received the Nobel prize, yes, the Nobel Prize, they are higher if compared to other races. So I realized that, wow, how come that every intellectual giant commits to daily habit of reading, and that became the pillar, the root or the genesis of the concept of DHL. I've written about 6 books, and each of these book each of these books, I made sure that, yes, I actually explain what DSL is all about. And presently, I am into educational neuroscience. I've been training teachers all over Africa, and I discovered something, that in the brain we have about 86 to 100 billion neurons in our brains. That out of these billions of neurons, there are unique populations of neurons that are called concept neurons. These are neurons that are dedicated solely to education. They are dedicated solely to declarative, and semantic information. Those information that are connected, to the education system. That whenever a student actually sits in the library to study, or sits maybe on a table, in order to study, that these concept neurons are the ones that come online. So as the student reads, the concept neurons help the student to do what? To encode every new information and data that the student actually comes across. So the concept neurons, there's a connection between the concept neuron and academic intelligence. And if you commit yourself to DHA, just like the Chinese and Asian students, there's something called neuroplasticity in the field of neuroscience. Neuroplasticity actually simply means changes that occur in the brain and in the entire nervous system due to profound experience. It could be a negative experience, like accident, or like addiction, to drugs or to alcohol. It could be a kind of an addiction to books, just like the Chinese students. So the point I'm really trying to pass across is this, that if you know you want to be intelligent, if you know you want to become one of the toppers in your class, the secret, just like I've told you about the Chinese, is for you to dedicate yourself, to commit yourself to DHL. The more you put this into practice, the more you integrate DHL into your learning framework, the higher your intelligence, and before you know it, you become the numero uno of your class. You become the champion, the intellectual celebrity, and the intellectual champion in your class, just like what the Chinese and Asian students are in the entire globe. So, my dear students, I've told you the number one secret, that it is DHL, and that I've given you neuroscience kind of analysis to back up this theory. I just want to actually implore you, please, after watching this video, I have a special gift for you. If you order for this book, it's just $10 but I have a special gift for you. My sixth book is titled Top Secrets for acing all exams in the world. Is it Gakao? Is it SAT? Is it JAM? Whatever is the nature of the exam, that book, when you if you read it, it will transform your life. It will make you become a topper, an A plus student. So because you've watched this video, I'm going to actually give you the book. Please subscribe to my channel. What I'm committed to posting new video for students all over the world on a daily basis. So subscribe to my channel. Drop a comment, and please do not forget to add your email. I shall send you the PDF kind of version of the book that I just told you about. Thank you very much. And I shall see you in the next video.